Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan heatsink assembly, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, system board, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the four 3.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left display panel hinge onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the four 3.5mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. The right display panel hinge is replaced in the same manner.